Hi students, welcome to our Sri Vishnu channel. I am Janardhan, your mathematics teacher. Our today's topic is transformation of axis. Okay, now first we discuss transformation of axis. Transformation of axis is divided into two types. Transformation of axis is divided into two types. First one, translation of axis. First one, translation of axis, and the second one, rotation of axis. Second one is rotation of axis. Now I already told you in our IP classes. Okay, now some important points, some important key points. Small x comma y be the original coordinates, and capital X comma capital Y be the new coordinates, and O is the original origin, and next O dash is the origin is shifted to the O dash H comma K is the new origin. Okay, next, now we find out transformation of axis. Transformed equation is small x is equal to capital X plus H, small y is equal to capital Y plus K, and capital X is equal to small x minus H, and capital Y is equal to small y minus K, and small h is equal to small x minus capital X, K is equal to capital Y minus small y minus K. Okay, see the board. P of x comma y is the original coordinates, and P of capital X comma y is the new coordinates. Y is 0 comma 0 is the original origin. O dash H comma K is the new origin. Small x is equal to, now we have to find transformed equation, then we get small x and small y. Now we have to find original equation, then we have to find capital X capital Y, and also now we new origin to find out. Then H is equal to small x minus capital X, and capital X, K is equal to small y minus capital Y. This is translation of axis of the information. Okay, and next, rotation of axis. Now the table, now see the table. This is rotation of axis. Theta, capital X, capital Y, small x, small y, and this is cos theta, and this is minus sin theta, and this is sin theta, and this is cos theta. Okay, this is equal to small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and this is small y is equal to capital X sin theta, follow the table, plus capital Y cos theta. Okay, this is now I have to find transform equation, the values of small x and small y, and again capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. Okay, and this is capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, now this is this is translation of axis, and this is rotation of axis. I already told you in our IP classes our explanation, translation of axis and rotation of axis. Just key points. Okay, now just this is key points. Okay, see the board. Start some important problems, G-mains or M-set. Now start. The coordinate axis are rotated about the origin O in counterclockwise direction through an angle of 60 degree. If P and Q are intersect made by new axis by a straight line whose equation referred to the original axis is referred to the original equation is x plus y is equal to 1, then 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. Now start the solution. Now first we draw the coordinate axis. This is x axis and this is y axis. This is original origin. Now through the counterclockwise direction of the 60-degree angle. Through a rotated angle 60 degree, and this is an angle. Now the new coordinate axis. This is capital X and this is capital. This an angle is 60 degree. Now the original axis to the line. Original axis to the line shifted to this line. Shifted to the line. This is x plus y is equal to 1. Now the y is the origin to the intercepted by the coordinates. This is some letters a or b. Okay, this is the intercept form of the line is x by 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. This is here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. Now I already discussed straight lines chapter. See the formula: 1 by p square plus 1 by q square is equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. This is already proved in the straight lines chapter. Okay, 1 by p square plus 1 by q square. This is 1 by a square, 1 by 1 plus 1 by b square is 1 by 2. This is 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. Now the 1 by p square plus 1 by q square is equal to answer is 2. Okay, write down. Now start second bit. When axes are rotated through an angle of 45 degree in positive direction without changing origin, the coordinates of root 2, 4 in world system are. Now see the table. This is rotate an angle 45 degree, and this is capital X and capital Y. This is small x and small y. Now this is cos theta and minus sin theta, and sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Now see the board. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Capital Y cos theta. Now see the question. When the axes are rotated through an angle 45 degree in the positive direction without changing the origin, coordinates of root 2, 4 in world system are. Now means world system are small x, small y. But this is and the coordinates of axis. Now this is origin. Now without changing the direction of the origin. Now, and this is capital X, capital Y, capital X, capital Y. But point P, root 2, 4, and the point world system are small x, small y. This is an angle 45 degree. this is an angle 45 degree. This is an angle at 45 degree, and this is now I have to find whole system R. Now see the table. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and this is the values of small x is equal to capital X means root 2 into cos theta, that means cos 45 degree, and y capital Y means 4, and this is sin 45 degree. Now root 2 into cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2 minus 4 into sin 45 degree value is root 2. This is root 2 cancel, 1 minus 4 root 2, 4 by root 2, 1 minus 4 by root 2, and this is root 2 minus 4 by root 2. Okay, now this is root 2 by root 2, so root 2 into root 2 means 2 minus 4 root 2 by 2, and this is 2 common, this 1 minus 2 root 2 by 2, this is 2 is cancelled, 1 minus 2 root 2. Now the x coordinate is now the whole system of x coordinate is 1 minus 2 root 2, and again capital Y, small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta, and this is capital X means root 2 into sin theta sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos theta, capital Y 4 into cos theta, that means 1 by root 2, and this is 1 plus 4 by root 2, and this is root 2 plus 4 by root 2 and into root 2 by root 2. This is 2 plus 4 root 2 by 2, and this is 1 plus 2 root 2. Now the whole system are, now the answer, the whole system are 1 minus 2 root 2 comma 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay, write down. Third bit. When axes are rotated by an angle of 135 degree, initial coordinates of 4 comma minus 3 are. Now the angle is theta is equal to 135 degree. That means cos theta is equal to, cos 135 degree is equal to minus 1 by root 2, and sin 135 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and this is given coordinates p of capital X comma y is equal to p of 4 comma minus 3. Now the initial coordinates are, see the table, small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and this is capital X 4 into cos 4 in capital X 4 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 minus of y minus 3, that means plus 3 into 1 by root 2, and this is minus 4 by root 2 plus 3 by root 2, and this is minus 1 by root 2. Okay, and the y coordinate is small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta, and this is 4 into 1 by root 2 minus 3 into 1 by root 2, 4 into root 2 plus 3 into minus and minus plus 3 by root 2, and this is 7 by root 2. Now the initial coordinates are small x comma y is equal to, now the x coordinate is minus 1 by root 2 and the y coordinate is 7 by root 2. This is answer is minus 1 by root 2 comma 7 by root 2.